Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video guys, we will discuss about of your static member control flow. So last video just I have given the theory I have explained you, but in this video we'll have a example. Okay, so if you missed the last video, please watch my last video. So let me create a static member. So we are going to discuss about of the static member example. Okay, so let me create a static test. Okay, I'll create a one class. So I'll save this class in my folder, uh, java java workspace. Okay, so now I'll create one static int a equal to 10. So this is called your static variable. Okay, now I will create a static block. This is your static block. Okay, I will create a static method. Okay, static void m1 static method. Okay, so this is your static method. Got it? So now guys, you can see here we have defined four member as per discussed yesterday. So inside I'm just writing in inside static. Okay, so what happened here? So last video I have already discussed, but let me explore here. Here what happened? This is your static variable. This is your static block. This is your method, static method, and this is your main method. Okay, these are the members are there. How it will execute? How this member will execute means what the output will come. So here what happened when when you will define this all the member. Okay, first it will execute a static variable and a static block. Okay, so in this case I have defined a static variable first. Okay, so these two members will execute in which order you are defining. Okay, this two member will execute in which order you are defining, then it will execute main method. Okay, so main method will execute because the print statement is there. Then it will execute, then it will execute called a static method. So we have a called a static method, right? So this method where you are calling, right? So I am calling this method here, m1, I am calling here. Hope you are understanding. So what happened after this statement? This method will execute. Okay, if you will call this method before print a statement, suppose you are calling this method here, so it will execute method first, then this statement. Okay, so when you are defining, we need to take care of this. Where are you calling the method, before a statement or after statement? Okay, now these two member, a static variable and a static block, will execute in which order you are defining. Suppose if you are defining a static member first, then a static member will execute. If you are defining a static variable first, then a static variable will execute. Okay, so will execute, then you will get more clarity get. But as of now, you can understand this and keep in your mind what I spoke. Okay, so now let me erase this. Okay, So if I will compile this code, you can see able to compile. If I will execute this code, sorry, I need to change this. Okay, static block. If I will, you can see able to compile and able to execute. So now you can see we have a static block. A static variable is also executed, but we are not going to take any action. I will execute that. I will give you the proof. Then inside this static m1 I did not call. So just I am doing some changes. So I want to execute a static variable as well. So int, this is your, okay, m2, and this is your static variable return 10. Okay, and this will store here. So simply guys, many of them are confused here. So let me call this. This is your static. So static I will call here. So if you are new in the channel guys, so let me show you. If you are new in the channel, right? So definitely we will watch my video from middle. You won't able to understand. Okay. So please watch my video from the starting. Okay. So this is my playlist what I am working on. So if you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So till now around uh, 8 video I have uploaded. Got it right? So please watch from the starting and bookmark this playlist. Okay. So if you are doing proper practice, and definitely will get lot of confidence in Java programming, and you are also able to crack the interview as well. Okay, so let's move. Okay, so what I was saying, okay, so please do not confuse here. So just I have created one method, and this method I store inside this a variable. Okay, so this method I have stored inside this a variable. Got it right? So again I am repeating. First it will execute a static variable, then a static block. So before that, how you are defining this a static variable and a static block? So in which order you are defining, right? In that order it will execute. Suppose if you are defining a static variable first, then a static variable will execute. If you are defining a static block first, then a static block will execute. Then main method and called method. Okay, so let me compile this. Able to compile. Now I'm going to execute. So now you can see a static variable, a static block, inside this a static m1. Okay, so before main method, two members are executed. Okay, but if you will not define the main method, you will get runtime error. So main method must be required. Okay, so but if it will check main method is there, before that any static variable and a static block is there or not. If a static variable and a static block will there, then what happen? This a static block, a static variable, or inside this like main. The control will go in the main. Now I'm trying to change the order. Okay, so suppose I have defined a static block first, then I am calling this method here. Okay, so you guys can tell me what the output will come. Okay, what the output will come. So I just change the order. Okay, then I define the static block first, then static variable, then I called m1 before print a statement here, right? So let me compile this. You can see a static block executed first, a static variable m1, and inside this main. Okay, so if you are not understanding, please change the order, try to repeat the video, and definitely you will understand. So this is the interview question. So sometime the interviewer will give you some code, this type of the code, and they will ask you, can you find the output for a static? Uh, you know, they will ask you to find the output of this code. Okay, if you know the concept, then you are able to find very easily. But if you don't know the concept, you will definitely get stuck in the interview. If you are the new in the channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more video notifications. See you in the next video. Bye bye.